today we are in the city of San Gabriel. We're having the Super Saturday RBID Tour of Home. Right now, in just less than 1 hour, we have our VIP buyers having a tour in our seller's home and makes offers. So in just less than 1 hour, we're gonna have multiple offers in our seller's home and they're gonna net more money in their pocket. Call us 626-789-0159, 626-789-0159. We still have over 35,000 cash buyers in our database.
So another Super Saturday here in San Gabriel. The way in our team system works is that when the owner of the house thinking of selling their home, when you are thinking of selling their home, your home, first thing we do, we already have over 45,000 buyers that we have in our database. So we call every single buyer that we have in our database, cross-qualify with one of and match it with our outside sales team. Then every time the owner of the house hire our team to get a home sold, all we do, we are just inviting every buyer to come to the same tour of homes. So this is it. Happy enjoy Super Saturday.